In today's video, I'm going to share with you my book, The 7 Pillars of Wellness, and we're going to go over some easy ways that you can start improving your health by implementing easy, practical things into your life. And these might just be simple reminders that you've forgotten, or perhaps you're a beginner and you don't know where to begin. And if you're just now, for the first time ever, starting to address your health, well, this book is going to be perfect for you because it will change your life and it's going to help you get over that overwhelming feeling of not knowing where to begin, what to do, what to eat, all of that stuff. If you have a copy, take it out so you can follow along. I'm going to be going in the order of the chapters. And if you have not ordered a copy yet, it's available on Amazon, KDP, and Audible, hardcover and paperback. And if you don't want to order one, just grab a pen and a pad so you can get some value out of this video. Let's get started. Sasha, my name is Sasha and welcome to today's episode. Let's start with pillar 1, and pillar 1 is nutrition. Now, nutrition is probably the biggest issue that people struggle with when it comes to their health. You want to eat healthy, but it feels impossible to stay consistent because even though you found a diet, it seems too ridiculous, too difficult, and you end up falling off a few days after beginning it. Or say you found the perfect diet and you've been on this diet a while, but you're so sick of it and you just want something good to eat. Well, one of the issues is when you go on these strict diets, it becomes so impractical and you feel so disappointed when you fall off because it's not realistic or feasible to begin with. Plan out your meals. This is going to make it so much better because you're going to know exactly what to eat, potentially when you're going to eat it. You're not going to have to think about it, and it's going to help you avoid going off your diet. Plus, it sort of becomes habits and you automate it, so I think it's very time-saving and great efficient way to improve your life. Stick to your diet. One great rule of thumb is you should have half of your plate be filled with fruits and veggies for each meal, preferably veggies because you need more of those and less sugar, obviously. So those are pretty simple. You can prepare a bowl of salad a couple of days in advance or the night before, which is probably better, it'll be fresher. And half of your plate will be that every meal and you won't have to think about it. So in the 7 pillars of wellness, I outline how you can improve your diet over time without it being too difficult and being able to consistently stay on it. In this book, I'll show you how to eat healthy, how to stop overeating, how to avoid eating unhealthy foods, the most efficient way to meal prep. I've actually created a little system that's easy to remember, and much, much more. So the value you get out of it is it's a lot. Just check it out. So whether your goals are losing weight or just maintaining a healthy lifestyle, this section will be especially useful because I have a food pyramid, I have serving sizes along with lists of foods you can eat. Not only are they just foods you can eat, they're easy types of food that you can incorporate into your daily routine. Oh, and I almost forgot. At the end of the book, I have created these quick reference charts that include what's in season, they include what you can buy organic and what you can buy conventional. That's the EWG's Clean 15 and Dirty Dozen. And I have how to store different produce, so check it out, it's definitely worth it. And you can always refer back to this book since it's such an easy read. You don't have to read it once and put it away. You can use it as like a little diet plan or whatever it is you're focusing on at that time. In the social section, we discuss the importance of having close relationships in your life and how they affect your health. Maintaining just 3 strong social ties can decrease your chances for premature death by 200%. I know that sounds outrageous, but that's what the evidence shows. An easy way to remember this magic number 3 is if you've ever seen the movie The Hangover, there's this part where that guy Alan, is that his name, Alan? I think so. If you've seen it, you'll know. But he's singing the song and it's really funny. It's "We're the three best friends that anyone's ever had," something like that. So I suppose he would need an additional friend, but work on getting 3 strong social ties. So as crazy as this 200% decrease number sounds, it's actually accurate because, like I mentioned, this fact as well as everything else in my book is backed by science. I looked through all these journals, so it has worked for groups of people. So they're not just random numbers. The 7 Pillars of Wellness also explains the importance of detoxing the negative people, negative influences out of your life, as well as how to identify energy vampires. When you think about it, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, so choose wisely. As I discussed in my biohacking video, you want to choose the people that you're spending the time with very carefully, because there are going to be those that fan and fuel your fire, and those that try to extinguish it. We don't want those extinguishers in our lives. Next, the emotional pillar of wellness. Now, the emotional pillar of wellness focuses on managing your emotions properly to optimize your health and happiness. I'm talking about mood, confidence, demeanor, how you treat other people, appreciating and cheering others along the way, and expressing gratitude. I share tips on how you can manage and release negative emotions, as well as elevate positive emotions, for example, through affirmations. Additionally, I emphasize the importance of kindness and teach you about the kindness hormone, also known as oxytocin. By being kind to others, you feel warm and connected, and it releases oxytocin, therefore boosting your immune system, decreasing inflammation, and serving as an antidote to depression. Pillar 4 is the mental pillar of wellness. Your mind is the control center of, well, everything. In this section, I teach you how to become more self-aware, condition and recondition your brain, as well as manage your stress better. These are all critical players in the game of life, and mastering them is going to optimize your life entirely. It's going to give you the ability to achieve your goals and be happy. This chapter also features some goal setting tips. It even has a section that you can actually fill in. Let me just show you really quick. Right here, as you can see, it shows you how to develop SMART goals, and once you read the book, you'll know what that stands for. The spiritual pillar of wellness relates to your overall purpose in life. It's based on your inner peace, values, beliefs, and faith. And in case you're wondering, this section is not centered around any specific religion or school of thought. It basically gives you the opportunity to explore and nurture your spiritual side. It also discusses the benefits of being out in nature, meditating, and of course, being present, something that some people probably forget about all the time. Physical, as you might be able to guess, physical has to do with your physical body and staying in shape. I list off several activities and ways to get active, ranging from weightlifting to gardening, along with some simple tools that can help heal and maintain your body. The last pillar of wellness is a bit of a serious one, if you will. It is integrity. Now, people define integrity in so many different ways, but the core principle is the same, and that is authenticity. I go over some ways to be looking and feeling your best through being honest, having good manners and etiquette, a lot of important things that sometimes get forgotten when you're just caught up in the rat race of life, along with how to have better social skills and just be a better human, because we can all be better humans, right? And sometimes, because we're human, we forget a lot of the little things. And that is what the 7 Pillars of Wellness is all about. And as it says right on the cover, it is a simple guide to get your life back on track. So you don't have to read this once and throw it away. It's a quick read, less than 2 hours. It's also available on Audible. So check it out and leave a review if you like it. Have an amazing day.